What's good, y'all? Back with Streetz, freestyle cooking with Streetz. You already know what it is. Thanks for tuning in. Got another great recipe I'm gonna share with y'all, like I always do whenever I get the chance. And we about to go right in, y'all. All right, so tonight, y'all, we doing a seafood boil, y'all, street style. That's how we getting down, y'all. You feel me? We on a seafood tip tonight. So as you can see, I got me a pot of water already boiling, ready to go. So you know you want to have your um, pot of water halfway full. We about to get it in. All right, y'all. So our seafood boil. All right, what we gonna be using is I got some Dungeness crab legs. I got some turkey kabaski, some corn, some potatoes, some shrimp, some mussels, y'all. This is gonna be a dope boil. Y'all are gonna love this joint. All right. So first thing we want to do is we want to get the seasoning in our water for our boil. All right. So the first thing I want to do, y'all, I want to go ahead and add some bay leaves in there. So I got like 3 bay leaves. I'm gonna add the bay leaves up in there, y'all. All right. All right, y'all. Next, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. Next, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Also, y'all got me some Old Bay. I'm going to go ahead and put a tablespoon of Old Bay in there, y'all. All right, y'all. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add about half a tablespoon of lemon juice. All right, next, I'm going to add my shrimp and crab boil concentrate. I'm going to do about 4 capfuls, y'all. All right, about 4 capfuls. All right, y'all. Now that I got my seasonings all up in my water, we're gonna go ahead and let that just, boil for a couple of minutes. Let that seasoning just get all up in the water, and then we're gonna add our potatoes. So I got some potatoes here. I mean, normally I use the small red potatoes. You know, you get the small red potatoes and throw them up in there. Didn't have none of that in my on hand, so I had me some regular potatoes. I just cut them in half. We're gonna put them in there, y'all. Also got these mini corns. I got like 4 of these. That's going in next. And I got some kielbasa cut up, nice big chunks. All right. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Seafood boil street style, man. Freestyle cooking on the streets, man. That's how we doing it, man. You know how I try to bring it to y'all real crazy. All right. So we're going to let that just boil for a couple of minutes. Let it do its thing. Then we're going to get our potatoes, corn, and sausage up in there, y'all. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Now after letting it boil for a few, go ahead and get my potatoes up in there, y'all. And we're going to let the potatoes rock out till they get tender. Put our corn up in there. All right. All right, y'all. We're just going to let this, like I said, we're just going to let this boil until our potatoes are a little bit tender. Then we're going to go ahead and get our crab legs up in there, y'all. All right. All right, y'all. Then boiled my potatoes is nice and tender. There we go. They nice and tender. I done already like poked them to see if they was tender. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my crab legs up in there. Yeah, y'all can't wait till this is finished. And this is about 3 pounds. You know, if you're making more for a crew of people, a party of people, then you'll just adjust everything. More everything. You know what I mean? Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead, cover this up. Let this rock out for about 15 minutes, y'all. Alright? Alright, y'all, to move my pot to the side because we gotta wait 15 minutes. Now remember, we still gotta get our shrimp and our mussels up in there, y'all. Alright? But I'm gonna wait, because it's not gonna take that long for the shrimp to cook, so I'm gonna wait till about maybe 5 minutes left on the boil, and we're gonna get it in. But right now, I got another pot. We're gonna go ahead and make a sauce for our boil. Nice buttery garlic sauce. So we're gonna put 3 sticks of butter. Alright. 3 sticks of butter, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on low and slowly melt it, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna slowly melt it. I don't want to burn the butter, y'all. Alright, I've nearly got my butter melted down. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my fresh minced garlic, y'all. I got a lot here, so you can put as much as you want. 4 or 5 cloves the minimum. But I did a few more than that because I just love garlic, especially buttery garlic on my seafood. Alright, next I'm going to add my seasonings. I'm going to go ahead with some sweet paprika. I'm going to go ahead and put about a tablespoon. Next, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of garlic powder. All that garlic. Next, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. Next, I'm going to put a tablespoon of my Cajun seasoning. Next, I'm going to add about a teaspoon and a half of my sea salt or paprika. If you don't have this salt, just some sea salt, kosher salt, and some paprika will just do fine. Alright. Next, a teaspoon of some black pepper. Next, a tablespoon of some fresh parsley, some dried parsley. Sorry, I said fresh. Put a tablespoon. Also, some basil, some dried basil, tablespoon. And put another teaspoon of my Old Bay, y'all. I'm gonna also put some red pepper flakes in there, but this is optional. You don't have to do this. This is giving me a little bit of spice to my butter sauce. Alright, go ahead and stir this one up. Oh yeah, y'all, the sauce is gonna pop good. It's smelling good right now. Wish I could smell it. Street style seafood boil, y'all. You know what? And I was just in the mood for seafood, and I almost didn't even do this video, but I said I had to share it with y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna still let that go on low for about 2 more minutes. Okay. Now instead of adding the shrimp and our mussels to the boil, we're just gonna add it to our butter sauce, and then we're just gonna pour the butter sauce all over the bowl once we get it up into the dish. Oh yeah, y'all, that sounds good, don't it? That's how we doing it, man. Alright, y'all, it's been a couple minutes with my sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and get my shrimp up in there, y'all. Oh yeah. Get my shrimp up in there. I'm also gonna add my mussels. And I had already bought some from my market, already cooked, packaged up like this. If not, you could, get the mussels, steam them up, take out the meat, load it up. If you can't get it already packaged up like this. All right, go ahead and stir it on up. All right, now go ahead and raise the heat up to a medium low, y'all, so we can get our shrimp cooking in our butter sauce, y'all. All right, our mussels are already cooked, so we basically just warming them up, and our shrimp, we're gonna go ahead, let it do its thing in the butter sauce. We're almost there, y'all. Almost at the finish line on this boil. All right, y'all. I done moved my induction plate to the side. Our shrimp is ready to go. Our sauce is ready to go. Our boil is ready to go. But before I get it up in the dish, I'm going to go ahead and make a little quick side pasta salad that we're going to have with our boil, y'all. Real easy, real quick. I already had my noodles done up, sitting in the fridge. I already had my tomatoes ready to go, my shallots. Got some turkey salami. Got me some fresh mozzarella. And I got me some Parmesan cheese. And I got some Italian seasoning. And I got Annie's roasted red pepper seasoning, y'all. Dressing. This is banging, y'all. All right, so I'm using the fusilli, if I'm saying it right, noodles. Okay, but you can use the rotini, tricolor, whatever. I'm using the cut fusilli noodles. Okay, this is about a half a bag. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I'm just go ahead and add some salt and pepper. So I'm gonna use my sea salt and my paprika. So I just love the flavor of the sea salt, but you can just use regular salt, y'all. All right, you don't got the sea salt with the paprika, it's all good. Just use regular salt, pepper is all good to go. I just like that added flavor, so I love these salts. All right, some pepper. And like I said, if you're making this pasta salad for a lot of people, you'll make a whole bag or a whole box, and you will just up the ingredients accordingly. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my turkey salami that I chopped up. Turkey salami, get that up in there. All right. Also got my tomato, grape tomatoes cut in half. That up in there. And also I got me some shallots chopped up. Get that up in there. Got some carrots, y'all. Get my carrots up in there. A lot of people don't put carrots in their pasta salad, when they're making their pasta salad, but I do, y'all, because I like carrots. Yo, then I'm gonna take my mozzarella, cut it up, and I'm gonna just cut some chunks to put it in there. If you could buy the mozzarella in balls already out your market, you can do so, or you can get the ball already hooked up. So I'm gonna do it like that, y'all. Feel me? Just like that. Fresh mozzarella, y'all. Cheese be banging. A little quick pasta salad to eat with the bowl on the side. Like I said, this is a salad that you can make anytime. Barbecue, sports night, family night, get together night, whatever you want to do. All right, and you just want to do some chunks. Get them up in there. All right, now that I got my mozzarella up in there, I got me some shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add that up in there, y'all. All right, got my cheese up in there. Now I want to shake up my dressing. Got my Italian dressing. I was going to do an original dressing, but I didn't want to take too much time on doing that. Maybe I'll do another video another time where y'all can make your own homemade Italian dressing. But real quick way, you buy some Italian dressing, you're good to go. So I'm going to add my dressing. right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and toss it. Get it all mixed up, y'all. Get the dressing incorporated all up into the salad. Get the cheese, the salami, turkey salami. All right, y'all. Now that I done mixed it up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take my roasted pepper sauce. I'm gonna just put a little bit in there, y'all. Just a tiny bit. You know, we already got our Italian dressing in there, but this dressing is good, y'all. This roasted pepper dressing, bang. Let's get that incorporated. All right, now that I got that incorporated, I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh parsley, y'all. Got my little grinding tool, as you can see. Get that fresh parsley right up in there, y'all. Look at that. This is a tool y'all want to have. It's so easy if you don't want to use your knife and grind it up. Look at that, y'all. There we go with our fresh parsley. All right, now we're ready to get this plated on up, y'all. Let's do it. All right, y'all, here we go. We got our bowl. We got our bowl up in the pan, y'all. Looking real good. Got our butter sauce with our shrimp already and our mussels. Let me get some mussels up in there, y'all. I'm gonna pour some of them juices all over that, y'all. Oh yeah, y'all. Yeah, this bowl is popping. That's what we do, man. Get that sauce all over the potatoes. Y'all can just go in. Got the sausage up in here. Oh, it's smelling so good, y'all. I can smell that garlic butter. Get it all over our crab legs. Here we go, y'all. There we go. Let me move this to the side. So y'all get a better look. There we go, y'all. Corn, the Dungeness. You can use whatever snow crab, jumbo snow crab, king crab, whatever. Got the Dungeness, got the sausage, got the shrimp. Smelling real good. Got the sauce is ready to go, y'all. Feel me? All right, so that's how we doing it, y'all. Oh, wait, hold up. Y'all, we got our pasta salad to eat with it, y'all. There we go. Got our pasta salad. Real quick, real easy. That's our meal tonight, y'all. Okay? So, please subscribe, share, like, hit that notification for more videos, man. I'm going to keep bringing it to y'all, man. Hope y'all do this seafood boil at y'all crib with your family. Hook it up. Y'all love it, man. Like I said, it's smelling good, man. I'm about to go in on this, man. I ain't gonna mess with y'all here by doing it on camera, but I'm gonna go in on this, y'all. It's looking real good. All right. Thanks for watching. Keep tuning in. Holla.